we are in KL. Oh my god, the wind is crazy. But I'm going to show you guys around the boutique hotel that I decided to stay in this weekend. This is called the Chow Kit Hotel, and it's apparently the best boutique hotel in Malaysia this year as well as previous years as well. Let's go take a look. There's this like super pretty rainbow bridge just outside of the hotel, and oh my god, the colors are so pretty. I'm going to show you guys. Isn't it just so pretty? Oh my god! I love the colors! So this is our room. Let's check out the toilet. A simple one, but I love the towels here. And then it's just a toilet bowl over here. Okay, let's check out the rest of the room. It's quite a small room, but I think it's alright. Here I have a mirror. Hey! Right, and then the bed is just a double bed. And then I have a little sink over here. Botanicals. And then this is a little side table, a TV, and then there's the bed. And let's look at the scenery outside. Yeah, I'm on the 6th floor, so this is what we see from my window. 603. Yeah, it's not bad, right? Although I wish that it's a little higher, but it's fine. It's a pretty cool space after all. Alright, so yeah, that's my room tour for this place. Honestly, I think for the vibes I give and for this window view, I think it's not bad. Yeah, okay. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Bye bye!